Hi everyone, today I'm going to show this Ultron SL2N 40mm f2 lens by Voigtlander. So I'm going to show the box first. So this is an EF mounted lens. So it's a Pancake lens. Nice and portable. Right. I'll open this up. Alright. So in the box, there's a manual, SL series, right? Cosina, in Japanese and English, right? Right. Right, the other side. Right. The lens itself, right? I will set one side first. And this is a macro adapter for the lens. You can shoot macro when you put on this glass. Alright. Voigtlander. Close up lens. Alright. Special glass just for this lens. Alright. Yeah, put it one side first. Alright, so this is the lens itself. Right, I'll show it to you. The lens cap. So let's see the size. It's pretty small. It's 39mm lens cap. Alright. And this is the lens itself. There's a front, a side, and this is the back. It's a Canon mount, right? This is the front. Take out the hood. Alright, so this is what the lens looks like without the hood. The front, the focus is very smooth. It's very beautiful. It's a Pancake lens. Alright. The glass. Look at the coating of this. It's so beautiful. I'll show you the glass. Alright, there you go. If you like to buy this lens, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for joining by. And before you leave, I would like to let you all know that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves you all and He is a healer. So please feel free to reach out to Him and He will answer. Alright, thank you so much everyone. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.